Hello guys, Cousin Malamidi here and welcome to today's video. Here today we are going to be making this combo chart we have at the bottom of our dashboard over here. This monthly sales are unit sold trend. So I'm just going to go back to my calculation sheet here and I already have the values to make our combo chart. So first thing first, you need to select part or all of our data. So this part is already done. So we go to the insert tab and we click on recommended chart. So by default, Excel not just in a way to pick this clustered column, but we beg to differ. So we scroll down and then click on combo, and I could work with this at this particular point. So over here now where I have my secondary axis and total units and line, I'm just going to tick this box, and you can see here now that the chart is coming alive. So I'm just going to do an OK. So technically here now we already have our combo chart. So all we just need to do is to format. So to do the format, first thing first, I need to remove the noise I have here in terms of the field buttons and grid lines. So starting with the field buttons, I go to people chart analyze and then I click out field buttons. And to remove the grid lines, I just pick one and then I do a backspace. For my total units, I'm going to move it around to the top and I click on the main chart itself and I'm going to expand to the right. Beautiful. So I click on my legend again and then I'm going to resize. I move it, click on it again, click out. Yeah, beautiful. So take it to the side. I come to the home tab. I make it the font size of 8. Then I make it bold. Okay. So we need to make our bars fatter. So I click on one of the bars, the rest of it gets selected, and then I do a right click on format data series, and I have my format data series pops up on the right hand side over here now. So to increase the bar size here now, we need to toggle the gap width, and this is how it works here. The higher the number here now, the smaller the size of the bar. So we need to decrease this number. So we could have a bigger bar. So let's control A and then I'll do a 90. And you could see here now that to an extent, our bars have gotten a little bit fatter. And for my line here now, I want to make sure the line is smoothed. So I click on it itself and then I go back to my format data series and I click on fill and line. Then I scroll down, I click on smoothed line. And for me here, this works, but let's take it a notch higher. So I'm just going to go to format. I'm going to provide a fill. So a background fill, I want this. And then for the bars itself, I want this particular color. What's missing here is just to provide a title for our chart. So I come to this plus sign here and I look for chart title. I come here, I say Control A, monthly revenue and units sold. So I do a Control A, I go to home, I say 10 and I make it bold and I'm just going to move it a little bit to the left. Yes, okay, and then maybe you could increase the font size. Okay, so this doesn't look bad. Let's see if we could decrease the size of our legend. Okay, and we move our title to the center. Okay, so this is how to make a combo chart in Excel and see you in the next one.